Yo, what up? It's me again. You know, it's backwards, but it's alright. So, walk with me. Jaguar. Jaguar. Let's see what Keiko doing. You done yet?
Hmm?
Why is it so slow? No response. No response. Anyway, you see the Jaguar. Nice and clean. We cleaned it up. We got it going. One of my favorite customers. We took care of her. Yeah, that's how we do. I did a Jeep too. I'll put that on here later. Y'all see that? Not much talking. I don't have to talk. Our work shows it. So whatever we do work-wise, you see what we do. So until then, we come back. We do the thing. We own it. We number one. We on top. I'm done. Bye.